One thing I do want to touch on after learning about this keyword tool planner, some people really fall in love with it and think, oh my God, I found 20 awesome keywords. I'm going to just litter my description with them. I'm going to just write complete blog posts about keywords. This can go against you as well. Google's algorithm doesn't like keyword loaded content. So I like to use the term sprinkle when talking about using keywords. So I sprinkle 2 to 3 keywords into my Facebook description. I sprinkle a couple keywords into my article I write on my blog. So when you're creating your Facebook About description, think of this as your Google meta description. And by meta description, I mean those 156 characters you see when you search on Google. It's the title and then the description. That's 156 characters. That's what your Facebook About description is. So describe your brand, describe what you do, describe your services or product, and while doing that, try to plug in 3, 4, maybe 5 relevant keywords that people are searching according to Google Keyword Planner. And remember, don't just use this once. Don't do the keyword research and be done with it. Use keywords in your post. Use keywords in your blog post on your website. Use keywords when you post a photo. These are all things that are getting crawled by Google search and can eventually lead people to your website as long as they keep searching these relevant terms that you found. So let's say it's Thanksgiving and I'm searching turkey baster. There it is. I input it, and this website did it well. Good Grips Turkey Baster with cleaning brush. Restructured Basic Turkey Baster. They included the keyword twice, ranked number 1. Obviously, they're on a huge website. Amazon.com has a lot of clout with Google already, so they rank a little higher. But they did a good job of using these keywords that I'm already searching.